Today, we're diving into the OWC 8.0 TB HDD Upgrade Kit tailored for all 2012 to 2019 27-inch iMac models. Let's kick things off by discussing the specs. This kit promises a significant storage boost, a whopping 8.0 TB, perfect for those craving extra space for their creative projects, media libraries, or extensive file collections. Installation-wise, it's designed to seamlessly integrate with your iMac, ensuring a hassle-free process. But what about performance? Well, let me tell you, it's impressive. The enhanced storage capacity doesn't compromise speed or reliability. Thanks to OWC's meticulous engineering, this upgrade maintains optimal performance levels, ensuring smooth operations for your iMac tasks, from heavy-duty editing to everyday computing. Durability is another key aspect to consider, and this kit doesn't disappoint. OWC is renowned for its high-quality components, and this upgrade kit is no exception. It's built to withstand the rigors of continuous use, providing peace of mind for long-term reliability. But let's not overlook the value this kit offers. Considering the substantial storage boost and the enhanced performance it brings to your iMac, the price point is quite reasonable. It's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to future-proof their iMac setup without breaking the bank. Now, onto the installation process. While upgrading hardware can be intimidating for some, OWC has made it as user-friendly as possible. With detailed instructions and included tools, even novice users can confidently tackle the installation. Plus, OWC's customer support is top-notch, providing assistance every step of the way if needed. In conclusion, the OWC 8.0 TB HDD Upgrade Kit is a game-changer for owners of 2012 to 2019 27-inch iMac models. With its generous storage capacity, seamless integration, impressive performance, durability, and value, it's a must-have upgrade for anyone seeking to enhance their iMac experience. Whether you're a creative professional or a power user, this kit delivers on all fronts, ensuring your iMac stays relevant and capable for years to come. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.